are celebrating National Youth Day. Rather, sometimes it is also called International Youth Day. On the birthday of the great person whom you really called youth icon, Chir Yuva, the great Swami Vivekananda. The person who really taught what is Indianization, what is India, what is the philosophy of India. The person taught the whole world universal brotherhood, tolerance, and all those things which are required for better human being. Coming back to his life history, as sir has started, he was born on 12th January 1863 in City of Joy, that is Kolkata, in very aristocratic kind family. Father have some relation with legal field, but big family. He was 9 siblings. A moderate family, but a talented kid. His name Narendra, also pronounced as Narendra. He started his education in brilliant manner. His first formal education was in an organization controlled by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, another great reformer, the person who has started education for the women and other all type of persons. Vivekananda, rather that time it was Narendra only, he started his career in the best manner and all his talent was shown there. Then he went to Presidency College with a great background. Unfortunately, due to death of his father, he could not continue legally. And that was the gift, that was the boon for the rest of the world. It was a matter of coincidence that when he lost his biological father, at the same time, he came into contact of his spiritual father, Pandit Ramkrishna Paramahansa. If you go through the life of Vivekananda, it was a turning point to meet with Paramahansa and Masada. The real talent, interesting talent of Vivekananda came out. Although he went there to pray Ma Kali that should give something for the financial assistance of his family, but he got something else. That particular year, that was somewhere 1890s, his real birth started. And after death of Paramahansa, Narendra became Swami Vivekananda, the person who founded Belur Math, Ramdas Missions, so many Vedanta associations, was very popular personality in India. The biggest turning point and the milestone whom we can have a proud, every Indian should be proud of that, his attendance in international parliament. He started his speech with my dear brother and sister of USA. People were shocked. They used to have a listening of this, ladies and gentlemen. Who is that Indian? He's saying, my dear brother and sister, how we can be the brother and sisters? And during that profession, during that speech, he told that all the religions are rivers and God is big ocean. Every religion has to meet with God. This is what India philosophy. And next day, in Washington Post, Chicago Times, New York Times, everywhere, Vivekananda was on top. That unknown Indian has shown what is India to the world. Puri dunya shocked. And then after he came to India. And now mission started from the Himalayan valley of Darjeeling, Shimla, to Assam, to Kanyakumari, everywhere Vivekananda had journey. And everywhere he showed his footprint, his teachings, his blessings, and the management, how institution can be started with very meager amount of money. जब उन्होंने रामकृष्ण मिशन या बेलूर मठ खोला तो it didn't have money, but how he arranged, he took help of different. He went to West again and continued his teaching in the same manner. Unfortunately, his health did not allow it. And at the early age of 39, he left this mortal world. That was July 1902. But you see, 39 years of age, what he had taught. Today, we youth, we countrymen should follow his principle. उनके कुछ बातों को देखो. If you want to achieve your God, first purify yourself. You are a God. You have a divine soul. भगवान तुम्हारी आत्मा में. If you don't love yourself, you can't get God. And as Behra Sahib started, उठो, जागो और तब तक मेहनत करते रहो जब तक कि कुछ अचीव ना कर लो. That was Swamiji. I should not become political, although it was started by Ramkrishna Paramahansa also. And on 12th January 1984, Mrs. Indira Gandhi has announced that from today we are going to celebrate this day. It got momentum in this particular government. In 2013, when we celebrated 150 years of Swamiji, whole world had given tribute to Swamiji. He is still relevant. Almost 160 of the time that we should follow. And thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice presentation on Swamiji. Dear friends, the real thought of Swamiji was he dares to speak truth. He never thought that someone was speaking or thinking something else. He dares to speak truth, and you are the person, the talent house in every field. So just now I would like to call our students to sing a song on Swamiji.
भारत प्यारा देश हमारा सबको भर भर दामन देते हैं, भर भर दामन देते हैं। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, सब देशों से न्यारा है। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, सब देशों से न्यारा है। कृष्ण की बंसी ने फूकी है, रूह हमारी जानों में। गौतम की आवाज बसी है, महलों और मैदानों में। चिश्ती ने जो दी थी वो तो अब तक है पैमानों में। नानक की तालीम अभी तक गूंज रही है कानों में, गूंज रही है कानों में। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, सब देशों से न्यारा है। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, सब देशों से न्यारा न्यारा है। हर रुत हर मौसम इसका कैसा प्यारा प्यारा है, कैसा सुहाना कैसा सुंदर प्यारा देश हमारा है। सुख में हर हालत में भारत दिल का सहारा है। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, सब देशों से न्यारा है। भारत प्यारा देश हमारा, सब देशों से न्यारा है। हो आ
The excellent presentation here. Really, students, you are the person who was thinking about the rebuilding of nation. Just now, I would like to call the dare and dynamic person who thinks and who dares to speak truth. Standing before you is our ARO sir, Nishikankar sir. So just now I would like to call our ARO sir to speak something on this occasion.
School, attention! Studies! Attention! Studies!
Students, thank you sir for your excellent speech. A real youth of our school and we the aggression DAV people always quiet, and this is the beginning of the golden era of aggression DAV in national level also. Just now I would like to call our PD sir to announce the name of golden, silver and bronze medalists, and I would like to call upon our ARO sir to felicitate them. Students, rub your hands fast. Rub fast, rub fast. There, like this, like this. Rub your palm faster, rub your palm faster. Fast.
Go fast and do it. Hold it on your ears. Now relax. School. Attention. Standard is. Now good morning all of you. I am very glad to announce that our few students have won gold, silver, bronze at the national level. DAV National Sports 2023 at national level event. Our students, total 11 students won gold medal, 3 students won silver medal and 16 students won bronze medal. Their names are, first of all we are going to call girls participants. Listen your name and come on the stage. Trisha Pradhan, under 14 years, she won gold medal in karate. Little kids of our school, she had fought marvelous fight during the match. Next, Vandana Kumari, under 17 years, gold medal. Next, Nancy Singh, under 17 years, gold medal. Khushi Kumari, under 17 years, minus 64 kg, gold medal. Ritika Rani, minus 40 kg, under 14 years category, won gold medal. These are the gold medalists in the girls category. Now silver medalists are Bhumi Chaudhary, under 17 years, silver medal. Judo. She is a player of judo. One more silver medalist is Tripti Rani from Wushu. Come fast. Silver medal. Now bronze medalists are Anushka Akansha, under 19 years, bronze medal from karate. Purnika Murmu, bronze medal, under 17 years from boxing. Rajnandani, bronze medal from boxing. Pushpanjali Kumari, bronze medal from boxing. Anjali Kumari, bronze medal from boxing. Clap everyone. Now, Sanvi Shah, bronze medal from wrestling. Aastha Kumari Agarwal, bronze medal from wrestling. Vaishnavi, bronze medal from wrestling. Srishti Raj, bronze medal from wrestling. Juhi Kumari, bronze medal from wrestling. Girls come forward for group photograph. Now, boys, Ishan Kumar Chaurasia, under 14 years, gold medal from karate. Shubham Kumar, under 17 years, gold medal from karate. Arnav Kumar, under 14 years, gold medal from judo. Alek Kumar, under 17 years, gold medal from judo. And Antariksh Sharma, gold medal, under 17 years from wushu. And Harsh Snehi, under 17 years, gold medal from wrestling. Now silver medal, under 14 years, Arnav Kumar from wrestling. Now bronze medalists are Ayush Kumar from karate, Shekhar Prasad, bronze medal from karate, Tilak Raj, bronze medal from wushu, Aniket Rajvansh, bronze medal from wrestling, Ayush Kumar, bronze medal from wrestling, and Ankit Gupta, bronze medal from taekwondo. Now ready for the group photo? Come forward.
सब ठंडा कांप रही है।
All the mentors, teacher mentors, please come on the stage.
नाक में सटाओ।
Sport teachers come on the stage. All the sport teachers come on the stage.
नाक में सटाओ, कान में सटाओ, इधर भी नहीं। मैडम हाथ रब करवाइए, हैंड रब करवाइए सबका, हाँ सब। चलिए हैंड रब करो, बताओ नाक में कान में कि खुला ही है, कुछ नहीं पहना टोपी। हाँ रब करिए, नाक में सटाओ, कान में सटाओ। तब बताने का है, कुछ हो जाएगा तब पता चलेगा कि कुछ हो गया। कुछ हो जाए तब पता चलेगा कुछ हो गया।
भेज दीजिएगा इसको ग्रुप में।
ग्रुप पे क्या हुआ देखिए ना, ग्रुप
फोटो देख लेंगे।
मोबाइल देखिए ना। डला हुआ है तो सीधा चला है।
Thank you to all. 3 cheers for Augustine Navy. Hebrews? Okay. School, standards, attention.
माई स्कूल वाले सीधा रहो, सीधा रहो, सीधा रहो, सीधा रहो,
Good morning, students.
सीधा रहो, सीधा रहो।
पांडवों ने धर्म युद्ध लड़ा था महाभारत के मैदान में। हमारे बच्चों ने जो गोल्ड मेडल, सिल्वर मेडल और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल लाया है जीत के, उसके पीछे बहुत सारे मेहनतकश और परिश्रमी शिक्षकों का हाथ है। आप जानते हैं कि जैसे पांडवों के गुरु द्रोणाचार्य ने उन्हें लड़ने की प्रेरणा दी, धर्म युद्ध लड़ने की प्रेरणा दी और वो विजयी हुए, उसी तरह से हमारे विद्यालय में हमारे शारीरिक शिक्षक सुमित कुमार सर, जिन्होंने मेहनत और लगन से और मेहनत उनका रंग लाया और बच्चों ने इतने मेडल्स जीते, ये अग्रसेन डीएवी का अब तक का सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन है। एक इतिहास बना है और इतिहास के बनाने में सुमित सर का और जो शिक्षक इन बच्चों को लेकर गए थे उनकी भी प्रेरणा का बहुत बड़ा स्थान है। हमारे CS यादव सर, सौरभ पाठक सर, मुकेश सर, संतोष सर और S गोस्वामी सर और बहुत सारी शिक्षिकाएं भी साथ में गई थी। उन सबों को विद्यालय परिवार आभार प्रकट करता है और उनके कार्यों की सराहना और उनके प्रति ढेर सारा धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता है कि उनके मेहनत के कारण हमारे बच्चों ने इतना अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया नेशनल लेवल पर और एक नया इतिहास बनाया। एक बार और उन सारे बच्चों के लिए भी और हमारे शिक्षक सुमित कुमार सर और जितने भी शिक्षक गए थे वहां आपके साथ, उनके लिए तालियां हो जाए। थैंक यू सो मच।
और मैं यहाँ पर अनाउंस करता हूँ, हो रहा नहीं तो इस खुशी के क्षण में मैं यहाँ पर अनाउंस करता हूँ, जो आनंद फंक्शन में ये जो बच्चे नेशनल लेवल में जीतकर आए हैं, उनका पेरेंट्स के साथ आएंगे स्टेज में और एक तो अवार्ड देंगे, छोटा सा अवार्ड दिया जाएगा। ठीक है, ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। इट इज नॉट ए स्मॉल अचीवमेंट, इट इज ए वेरी वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट सो फार माई नॉलेज इज कंसर्न। तो और जो बच्चे, मेरा दुख है यही है, तो ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में कुछ पदक नहीं आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा कहीं आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करिए, नेक्स्ट ईयर ट्रैक एंड फील्ड में भी कुछ पदक आए, वो हमको बहुत खुशी लगेगा। ठीक है, और बाकी आप लोग जो इतना समय तक खड़े हैं ठंडा में, इतना हवा, ठंडा का हवा दे रहा है, उसके साथ भी आप खड़े हैं, तो इसके लिए आपके लिए ताली हो जाइए। थैंक यू।